Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel and checking out another review. Tonight's not going to be really a review, more or less an unboxing. What I wanted to do with this video, I got a package in the mail from Mountaineer Brand, beard company. I wanted to go over what they all sent me because it's going to take me forever to get through all these products. So I just kind of wanted to give you a rundown, what was all sent. I did a review on this company in the past, and their products are all natural. Just overall, fantastic company to deal with, to use their products. I've used their products several times. Really great products. So I'm just going to briefly, it's not going to be too long of a video. I just want to briefly run down what you guys can expect on reviews from Mountaineer Brand in the future. They sent me, we'll start off, they sent me a stick of deodorant, which you can already tell I've been using. And this one is West Virginia Timber. Some of this stuff I didn't even know they had made, and some of it's like really cool. Granny Vickers Healing Salve Pine Tar. Get some healing pine tar salve, and that's, you can see as I already got a little peel out of there. Granny Vickers, I think I'm saying that Vicars. Granny Vickers Sore Muscle Rub. So we got some muscle rub. And I actually used some of this on my daughter's knee earlier. And it just smells like Vicks Vapor Rub is what it smells like. I don't know if it's got the same, same ingredients in it or whatnot, but just watch out for the review for it. Again, these are all 100% natural products. Granny Vickers Foot Rub Soothing Salve, and like I said, I didn't even know they made these products. I didn't even crack this one open yet. I got this package yesterday. Well, it wouldn't be yesterday because I'll probably upload this in a couple days. So I got this, a few days ago. This is the foot rub. Again, it's real menthol-y. The next thing, this was really cool. It's Granny Vickers Lip Balm. It's cherry lip balm, and it smells phenomenal. It's such a great cherry scent. Definitely going to be using some of that, and I'll probably have my wife use some of this stuff as well. Beard wash, I have this in my shower right now, and they got some great beard wash. This is West Virginia Barefoot. Next is Granny Vickers Insect Repellent Oil Rub DEET Free. So you got some insect repellent. Again, I didn't even know they made that stuff. The first combo, oil balm combo, is the lime and sage. And I think Dancy Bearded did a review on this a couple days ago. I haven't smelled this yet. I'm kind of interested in to see what this is going to smell like, but it's lime and sage, oil and balm. And this is kind of cool. It's therapeutic mineral clay. And what's in the can, it says caution, open can slowly in upright position contains powder. Mix equal parts of clay and raw apple cider vinegar or water. So that's apple cider vinegar. And that's like kind of like a charcoal mask. That's really neat. And the last combo that was in the bag, it came in this little burlap bag. West Virginia Citrus and Spice. Yeah, and this came with a wash, an oil, a balm, and a brush. And I've already used this brush It's a nice little handy brush. This is a 2-ounce can of balm, and you can tell how big the brush is by side. So really good products. Definitely going to be putting all these to the test. I'll probably have my wife use a few of them. I'm sure I'll use a few of those. The muscle rub I'm definitely going to use. But anyway, you guys keep watch out for the reviews on Mountaineer Brand. Get them up as soon as I can. Got some products to review in the meantime. Been really super busy. I love it. It's just an awesome feeling, knowing these companies put trust in you to review their products. I really appreciate that. So thanks for coming back to my channel and checking this video out. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit me up in the comments section below. Let me know what you guys want to see. I can try my best to get it done for you. Until the next video, guys. Peace.